Morning children. Today we will learn about NumPy arrays. NumPy arrays are also known as ND arrays. NumPy is a package in Python. As you know, it is a fundamental package in Python and it is a Python library which provides a multidimensional array object also known as ND array. How will you install NumPy? It is but very simple. You can install NumPy using pip command if you are using Python ideally. If you are using Anaconda, so you need not to worry about installation. NumPy is bundled with Anaconda. Here we will learn NumPy with the Python PyDroid app of Android. NumPy arrays are used to store list of numerical data, vectors and matrices. The NumPy library has a large set of built-in functions for creating, manipulating and transforming arrays. This topic you also studied in class 11. So you are well aware of built-in functions of NumPy array. This is just a recap of NumPy arrays. See the difference between list and array. This is one of the most important difference which can be asked in board exams also. So you have to learn it, you have to understand it and you have to note it down in your copies also. List, what is list? List can have elements of different data types. For example, 1, 3.4, hello, a at the rate. You can see here 1 is integer, 3.4 is float, hello is string. Again a at the rate is string. But in array all elements are of same data type. For example, an array of floats. You can see the array is storing 3 values. Each value is of type float. 1.2 is also float, 5.4, 2.7, so on. List do not support element wise operations, for example addition, multiplication, etc. because elements may not be of same type. Suppose you want to multiply each and every element of list by 2 or you want to divide each and every element of list by 3. So you have to process list using looping statement. You have to apply loop first, then you can modify the each and every element of a list. But in array, it supports element wise operation. You simply have to write, suppose A1 is an array. So if you write A1 into 3, 3 will be multiplied with each and every element of array A1. Similarly, it is possible to say A1 divide by 3 to divide each element of array by 3. List can contain objects of different data type and Python must store the type information for every element along with element value. You can understand it by the previous example. See the first difference of list. Here you can see 1 is integer, 3.4 is float, hello is a string, a at the rate is also a string. So in memory for list along with the value, Python has to store its data type information also. So for 1 it has to store int, for 3.4 it has to store float, for hello it has to store string. But in NumPy array it takes less space because the each and every element is of same size, same data type. List is a part of core Python. You need not to include any package to use list. It is basic data structure of Python. But for using NumPy array, you have to import NumPy in your interpreter, in your Python interpreter. So this is the difference between list and array. Now it's time to learn NumPy practically. How will you create NumPy array? What are the attributes of NumPy array? You must recall how to create NumPy array and how to what are the attributes of NumPy. I am coming with the next video where we will practically implement creation of NumPy array and we will check different attributes of NumPy. Till then you have to recall all these things. Thank you, class.